We were talking a little bit about how robo-advisory had evolved over time, how it started off at the algo trading side with Getco and so on, all the way to Betterments after the financial crisis, and the implications thereof, of how that's going to affect and play out in the future. So are the technology startups who have brought the new sort of tech into the market and gone to the underserved, are they going to be the successful companies of the future? Or is it the old guard, the Vanguards and the Charles Schwabs of the world, who have managed to incorporate the technology and therefore taken the advantage of having customers already at their service, and are they going to take that and now succeed in the future? So we're trying to tease out the implications of these two giants battling between each other. And at least in terms of technology, this is one of the few times that I think the battle is evenly matched, and it should be exciting to see in the future.
Today I was talking about shifts in the wealth management market and the growth of Robo Investing. And what I was really talking about in terms of saying that Robo Investing is a disruptive innovation. However, we think that it will mainly be an enabler of changing the investment process rather than a substitute to the way things are done today. So essentially it will be incorporated in terms of existing channels, in terms of face-to-face, Skype, social media, other types of channels, and therefore the people who are probably going to be successful are the existing players who adapt their approach. The startups will have a role in terms of providing the technology to those incumbents. Also, there will be a group, probably of about, we estimate, 1 million or 2 in the UK, that will use Robo on a standalone basis without any traditional use of advice.
There was a fair bit of excitement, and I think that the folks were sort of really keen to get into the nuts and bolts of the issue. So the questions around customer acquisition costs, or how artificial intelligence is going to sort of change the robo-advisory industry. So I think there's probably a few successful startups in there and a few industry veterans trying to change the way things work. Let's see how that plays out.